We work on experiments all the time at the Louis Armstrong Middle School. We have recorded some of our experiments for students to review. We start this experiment where we have metal rods or metal pieces of aluminum and iron that have heat tapes attached to them, that when you touch the heat tapes they change color. To show you that when heat is applied, they change. And we are going to put hot water into this beaker. And we are going to put a thermometer into the beaker. And we are going to take the temperature. And the temperature has risen to 65 degrees Celsius. We are now going to put both the aluminum and iron pieces in at the same time, and we're going to record the temperature every 30 seconds. Notice that the heat tapes are beginning to change. Okay, we have a timer set. Okay, our first temperature is going to be taken now, and the temperature is at 64 degrees Celsius. Okay, notice the colors of our temperature strips. Notice the color of the aluminum. Notice the color of the iron. Okay, it is time for us to take another temperature reading. It is now 64 degrees Celsius. Okay, we're trying to see here if through conduction all metals conduct in a similar way. You can see that the tapes did get hot by the colors that they have changed. The aluminum went through its entire cycle already. It's time to check the temperature again. The temperature is 62 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's time to take the temperature again. It is 61 degrees Celsius. It's time for another temperature. It is 59 degrees Celsius. The aluminum has gone through all the changes in temperature cycle on the heat tapes. Iron heat tape is still slightly blue, but it seems to be turning all the way from black through its cycle and going back to black again. Okay, we're ready to take another temperature reading. We are at 58 degrees Celsius. Our next temperature reading is 57 degrees Celsius. This is our final reading coming up. And the aluminum has gone through its entire cycle. The iron is almost through the entire cycle of the heat tape. So the hot water, which was at the bottom, allowed the heat to travel up through the metal and change the heat tapes. And our last temperature reading is 56 degrees Celsius. So different metals will conduct heat, but not at the same time or at the same rate.